What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Disney's Magic Kingdom for another Tron roller coaster construction update. And before we really get inside the park, we're going to show what's going on outside the park. And we can see right outside the front entrance the pumpkin setup for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It's a really great event this year. I highly recommend you check it out. And then right over here, well, check it out. We have a Tron wall, so you can take your photo with it. Kind of neat. They have the other one over by, of course, the Tron site itself, but we can see one right here on the outside. And the whole front entrance area is really getting a makeover. It's going to look nice when it's done. Alright, so we just had a chance to get a look at Tron from the air, and it's looking really nice. That building is starting to be fully enclosed. Let's go get a better look. Main Street looking festive, of course, for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Looking really nice with all the decorations. And it's not too busy here today. Most of the more popular attractions only a 35-minute wait. And there's the castle. All right, I know we're a little late to the party, but check out the new sign for Tomorrowland. I actually kind of like it. Looks nice. Well, as you know, we're going to get a view from PeopleMover of Tron. Let's do that now.
This land of tomorrow. The PeopleMover is the perfect vehicle for people.
Now we're going to head inside Barnstormer for a view of Tron. Great views from here. And here we can see some guys up at the top doing some welding for the structure that will enclose the ride. Supports that are currently inside the ride building are all wrapped up for protection as well. This is a ginormous foundation that's going to be built. Tons of rebar right here.
I mean, the two main pieces were there, but then they put those other two.
And there we can see the cables are off this support, and the speed that these guys are moving at is impressive, as this support was literally put up in about 5 minutes.
It doesn't look like anything fancy. I'm stoked. All I was doing for the whole time was running around for the morning. I like keep on.
Alright, so let's give you a little overview of everything that's going on. Up close, we can see the structure for the actual ride building is going up, and very soon it's going to be starting to get enclosed. And lots of foundations are still continuing around here. You can see supports that have just been added today. In fact, those two, within the last half hour. You can see the launch track over there. So it's going to launch out, go up into this big swooping turn, come back around over here, and then up into the building. But everything right now is looking really good. Again, the pace they're building at today is insane. As we can see, another support going up. That makes 3 within about, 35 minutes or so. And yet another support rising into the air. Up and away! Coming in hot. There it goes, lowering into place. Impressive work, guys. They're moving very quick. And our chariot has arrived. Front row, so we'll be able to do a POV for you guys today.
Land of Tomorrowland.
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Disney's Magic Kingdom for Tron roller coaster construction. As we saw a bunch of new progress since our last update. Supports are all over the place and tons of new track. And they're also enclosing that ride show building. Of course, we're going to be having more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.